Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install and run DeepSeek-R1 locally on your Windows computer. So first of all, what you have to do is go to allama.com. This is a website. Now from here, what you have to do is click on download. Now this page will open where you will get 3 different options to download for Mac OS, Linux or Windows. So today we're dealing with Windows, so I will click on Windows and click on download for Windows. Then it will download a file which I have already downloaded, which is about 745 megabytes. If I click on it, this page will open. Simply you have to click on install. As you can see that Llama is installing on my computer. Once the installation has been completed, you will see Llama is running on the bottom. If you click on the tray, you will be able to see the Llama icon just right there. This is the Llama icon. Now once the Llama has been installed, what you have to do is click on your Windows button on your keyboard and type Llama. Right click on the Llama icon, open file location. Again right click, open file location again. Now you will land on this folder. Now you have to click on the search bar of your file manager and type in cmd. Hit enter to open command prompt. Now what you have to do is type Llama. Hit enter. Now this window or this page will appear, which means you have correctly installed Llama and everything is working fine. Now our next step is to download DeepSeek-R1. So let's do that. So what I will do, I will go back to my browser. In the search bar, I will type in DeepSeek-R1 as it is on the top. Click on it. Now on this page, what you have to do is click on this drop down menu where you'll be able to see all of the DeepSeek-R1 models that are available to download. For example, this is the 1 gigabyte and all the way up to the 404 gigabytes model. You can download any model because the larger the model is, the more information it has. So I will recommend you to download the in between. Let's say 14B is my recommendation, which is not too large and also not too small, somewhere in between. So in this video, I will be downloading the 1.1 gigabyte because I don't have any time to download the 9 gigabytes. It will take so much time. So for the tutorial purpose, I will be downloading 1.5B. Now to actually download this model, what you have to do is copy this command. Once copied, you have to open your file or your command prompt once again. Now here, what you have to do is Control V or paste your copied command, which we just copied from here. Once you have entered or pasted your command, you have to change just a little bit instead of run because we haven't downloaded yet. So you have to download it. To download it, you have to modify it to pull. So we have changed run to pull. Now hit enter and hopefully it will start downloading on my computer locally. As you can see, the downloading process has begun successfully. So I will wait 3 minutes. Now we have successfully downloaded our model. Now it is time to test out our model. So first of all, we have to run our model. Obviously, to run our model, we have to use this command. Now this time we will not use the pull command. We will just paste the run command and hit enter. Our DeepSeek-R1 is now successfully running. Now to test it out, I will ask it anything. For instance, how to open a YouTube channel. As you can see, it is working 100% fine. And it is giving me, if I show you my resources, I will open my task manager, go to performance. As you can see, my GPU is utilizing my GPU, which is super good. So which means it is running locally on my own computer. So that's basically how you can run DeepSeek-R1 on your computer, on your Windows locally. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.